Hi friends, in this presentation we are going to discuss on the topic fiber yielding plants. Let us start with the introduction. Fibers are small, thin and slender structures which may be derived from plants and animals. Fiber plants are the most important in their usefulness to mankind. Fibers are used for clothing, ropes, sacks, packing and stuffing. Fibers are specialized, elongated, narrow and lignified sclerenchymatous cells. They possess sufficient tensile strength, flexibility and elasticity. The wall of fibers possess minute circular pits. The plant fibers are chiefly composed of cellulose, a small amount of hemicellulose and lignin. Stem fibers or bast fibers are found in the fiber crops such as hemp, hookvine, papyrus, nettles, etc. Leaf fibers or structural fibers are obtained from plants such as yucca, abaca, sisal, etc. Fibers are also obtained from the fruits and seed fibers of plants such as cotton and coconut, etc. The first fiber yielding plant which we are going to discuss is cotton. Botanical name of cotton is Gossypium hirsutum. The family is Malvaceae. Its common name is paruti. Useful part of cotton is the epidermal outgrowth of seed coat. Cotton is the most important fiber in the world. Cotton fiber represent the epidermal outgrowth, that is lint of the seed coat of Gossypium. Cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber that grows in a ball around the seed of the cotton plant. It is composed of pure cellulose. Existence of cotton is seen in Rig Veda. First cotton mill is established in 1887. Now let us discuss about the morphology of cotton plant. Cotton plant is a small annual shrub. It is 1 to 1.5 meter tall and have a thick rigid stem. The plant produces showy yellow flowers. Cotton fruit or bole is spherical or ovoid leathery capsule. Each capsule split up into 3 or 4 loculi, each containing many seeds in it. The surface of each seed is covered with long and short hairs. The long hairs are called lint and the short hairs are called fuzz. Lint represents the cotton fiber of commerce. It is white, brown or rust colored. The capsule crack at maturity along the sutures and content expand considerably into a white fluffy mass which pushes outside the carpel wall. Cotton grow in a frost-free growing season and need abundance of sunshine and warm temperature up to 21 to 44 degrees Celsius. In this slide, we have the habit of cotton plant. The processing of cotton include a number of steps starting from picking, storing, selling, collecting, cleaning, ginning, baling, spinning, fabric formation, finishing, stitching and retail. Next, we are going to discuss about the uses of cotton. The main bulk of the cotton produced is used in the manufacture of woven goods. It is used in the manufacture of rubber tire fabrics, in plastic reinforcing, carpeting and cordage. The fuzz is used for stuffing pillows, pads, cushions, upholsteries, etc. Cotton serve as the basic raw material for cellulosic rayon, plastics and explosive industries. Cotton seed cake is used as cattle feed. Cotton seed oil is used in cooking and also in soap making. Oil cake is an excellent fertilizer. The next slide shows some of the useful products of cotton. The next fiber yielding plant which we are going to discuss is jute. Botanical name of jute is Coir capsularis. Family is Pileaceae. The common name of jute is chanam. Useful part is secondary phloem. About 40 species of Coir is distributed throughout tropics of the world. 8 species occurred in India. 80% of the total world production of jute comes from Bangladesh and India. Jute is the bast fiber obtained from the bark of stem, particularly from the secondary phloem. Separation of fibers is done by retting process. Actual separation takes place by the removal of pectin, gum and mucilaginous substances by the action of water and microbes. The fibers are stiff, long, silky and pale yellow and 6 to 10 feet long. The next slide shows the habit of jute. Next we have the morphology of jute. Plants are annual, woody undershrubs. Plant branch near the tip of stem. Leaves are simple, alternate and stipulate. Flowers are solitary, 3 to 4 cymes are present. They are small, yellow, bracteate, pedicellate and hermaphrodite. Sepals and petals are 4 to 5 and stamens are twice the number of petals. The fruits are loculicidal and the capsule are globular. Next we have the characteristics of jute. Jute is a primary rainy season crop requiring warm and humid climate. It requires a temperature ranging from 24 to 35 degrees Celsius. It requires a clean, cold-free, fine seedbed. The fiber occur long wedge-shaped bundles outside the xylem in the stem. Fibers are thin-walled cells of the phloem occurs alternately. Fibers are pale yellow or white in color, a silky luster. Jute fibers are much shorter than those of cotton, flax and hemp. Their spinning by ordinary methods is difficult and so their use is limited to coarse fabrics only. The next slide shows the production process of fiber from jute. It starts from harvesting, retting, cleaning of fiber, drying and finally bleaching. Next we have the uses of jute. Jute is a cheap textile. Thick cloth made from jute fibers is used for making gunny bags. Jute is also spun to yarn, which are used in making good quality fabrics such as cloth, upholstery, linoleum, etc. Jute is used for making twines and ropes. Short fibers made from the lower end of the stalk are used for making paper and also as a packaging material. It is also used as demulcent and dysuria. An infusion of leaves is used as tonic. Next we have some of the useful products made from jute. Our next fiber yielding plant is coir. The botanical name of coir is Cocos nucifera. It belongs to the family Palmaceae. Common name is Nalicarum. Its useful parts are endosperm and surface fibers. Coconut is a coastal crop. It requires plenty of sunlight, temperature between 27 to 32 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall between 130 to 250 cm. It grows in wide range of soil type. Sandy clay loam is the best soil for its growth. In India, coconut palm is mainly cultivated in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. In this slide, we have the habit of coconut. Next we deal with the morphology of coconut. Coconut palm is a tall, unbranched, handsome tree. The trunk is straight. The flowers are covered with boat-like spathes and have spadix inflorescence. The tree is monoecious. The fruit is a fiber drupe. It consists of outer exocarp, middle mesocarp, and inner endocarp. The middle thick fibrous mesocarp constitute coir of commerce. Next, we have the characteristics of coir. Fiber is short, coarse, and rough. The cell wall of fiber is thick. Lignin and hemicellulose deposition increase with the age of the fibers. Chemically, the coir fiber consists of total water 26%, pectin 14 to 25%, cellulose 22%, hemicellulose 8 to 50%, and lignin 29%. The industrial fiber is 1.3 to 1.0 mm long and 0.01 to 0.02 mm in diameter. The most valuable coir fibers are obtained from the husk of unripe coconuts. The husk is soaked in salt water for several months to loosen the fibers. It is then beaten to separate the fibers, which are soon washed and dried. Next we have the production process of coir, starting from coconut husk, fiber or particle separation of coconut husk, washing treatment, drying, and leading to the formation of cocoa peat. Now let us discuss about the uses of coir. Natural resistance, durability, and resilience of water by the coir help in manufacturing cordage, helps in manufacturing of mats, matting, and coarse cloth, used as packing material to protect goods against the shock in transport, used for the production of activated carbon, artificial horsetail, paper pulp, roofing tiles, writing boards, and thermal insulators. Coir is rubberized for making cushion seating for automobile and railway. Bristle fibers are used for making brushes. Coir bags are used in tea estate for collection of tea leaves. In this slide, we have some of the useful products which are made from the coir. Thank you so much, friends. Have a nice day.